नाजरीन, पीएम मोदी का पार्टनर्स फोरम इजलास से खिताब कर रहे हैं, आपको सीधा ले चलते हैं।
Entrusted to a team that works across sectors like education, water and sanitation, rural development, with topmost priority to health and nutrition. We are working on women-centric schemes through other departments also. Till 2015, more than half of Indian women did not have access to clean fuel for cooking. We changed this with Ujjwala Yojana and provided cleaner cooking options to 58 million women. We have taken up Swachh Bharat mission on war footing to make India open defecation free by the year 2019. In the last 4 years, sanitation coverage in rural areas has increased from 39% to 95%. We all know the saying, if you educate a man, you educate an individual. But if you educate a woman, you educate an entire family. We have translated that into Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, a program that focuses on the girl child and on giving her the best quality of life and education. In addition, we have also devised a small deposit saving scheme for girls called Sukanya Samruddhi Yojana. With more than 12.6 million accounts opened, this scheme is helping us secure the future of the girl child. We have also introduced Pradhan Mantri Matu Vandana Yojana that is expected to benefit more than 50 million pregnant women and lactating mothers. These schemes enable direct benefit transfer to their bank accounts to compensate for wage loss, enable better nutrition and adequate rest before and after delivery. We have also increased maternity leave to 26 weeks from 12 weeks earlier. We are